In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. I often check if resizing icons is possible on devices I'm testing, just to adjust them to look the best on camera. If you want to do it on this OnePlus, to adjust them for your eyesight, just pinch your device's screen. And when you see all of those options, hide icons, located between wallpapers and widgets. Now scroll a tiny bit and operate this slider under icon to adjust them. You can check out preview at the top. To save your changes, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!